I have some plums, 8 to be exact. They were not the best to just snack on, and I don't like throw food away, so I decided I will make a healthier version of a plum crumble. Let's wash them first and then cut it in half. Remove the pit and dice in whatever size you want. I prefer to have those nice and small bite sizes. Transfer to a large pot or pan, spread evenly and start browning them on a medium-high heat. No need for any sugar or sweeteners. Plums are sweet and they will get even sweeter when they release juices. They just started browning. Stir, cover and lower the heat to low and cook for 10 minutes until the plums start releasing their juices. Cook uncovered, stirring occasionally until all the juice reduces. Now, the plums are very sweet. Do a taste test and see for yourself. And this is about right. It's nice and thick and not much liquid left. Now they're ready to transfer to a medium-sized pan. But be careful, it's very, very hot. Spread it evenly across the surface. And now we are ready to prepare the crumble itself. I have here 2 tablespoons butter, room temperature. And also I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour. You can use just oats as well. I'm going to add the old-fashioned oats, a 1/4 cup as well, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. But you can use only oats. I've done those many times if you want to check different recipes I have here as well. These are regular ingredients, but for this amount of fruit, the crumble is the most calorie dense part, and I don't use too much of it. There's no sugar in the fruit itself, and only 2 tablespoons for the whole recipe. We can afford it, right? But if you don't like flour, or maybe you are sensitive to gluten, use oats. Only oats. But I would not use the sweetener as a substitution for sugar because it's not going to get that crispy. Already tried it. So bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes until the crumble on top browns. You can also use an air fryer to make single serve mugs like this one. And I used only oats for crumble here. And look how great it looks. It will a little bit get inside of the fruit, but that's perfectly fine. It's really good. The crumble is extremely hot, and when taken out of the oven, there's still a lot of liquid. If you let it stand to cool down some, it will become more dense and easier to portion. But I love this hot stuff anyway, and I'm going to dig in right away, as always. I look to serve it with 5% Greek yogurt for some protein, and use whatever your calorie budget allows you. You can use ice cream as well. This one is a little bit of a splurge dessert anyway. Well, I hope you enjoy and watch these recipes next. And that's exactly what I'm going to see you next.